Let's check. So Belle wanna join me? Itabel wanna join me? It's a tower. It's a tower. Alam nga, mama, nandito na yung malaki. Laki-laki mo, Miming. Ba't ka pa napunta dito? Papa, baby kay. Miming, ming, 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 ming.
We are hiring. Mama, pag nag-get ka ng job, di ba interview muna?
Siyempre.
Huh? Yung interview mo, mama, yung sinabi mo.
I need a job.
Tapos,
Yun, binigyan na ako.
ang sabi mo, ano, yung sinabi sa'yo.
You're hired.
You're poo-poo. Si Mimi, mama, ba't pumapasok yung Miming dito? Tapos, ano? Tapos lumalabas sila agad.
Baka mamamatay ka.
Ang mga anak na.
Pag namamatay ng cat mo, dapat sniff nila around the house para ma-remember nila kung
Hindi.
ano amoy.
Hindi.
Fire.
You're a liar and a fire.
Wanna play Granny? Granny.
Kawaii Obi.
nanonood ka
I'm playing Kawaii Obi Tower. What's your old name?
I already played that.
Is it hard?
Oh, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Boss, boss. Inamoy din ni.
Wala dito.
Ang sakit nga ng kamay ko eh. Ay, nang pa ako.
Kasi lagi ka nakaganon sa cellphone.
Pag ganyan ka, baka maano ka. Wala ka ng ano. Oh, ang diamond.
Pimple ka na, mama.
May pimple ka na? Easy lang naman, di ba? No? Tapon sa... Ay, may diamond. Ano ba't nagba...
Ano ba't
Oh, may diamond, no? Kaya may ka...
Gabi pala yan eh.
May tayo.
Mahulog ka kaya?
Ayoko.
Mahulog ka, ano nangyayari? Dapat mag-reset ka.
Ano reset? Ito naman sa report, no?
Bakit yung pimples ko masakit? Dito lang sa taas.
She's Maya.
Maaga kayo magising mo
Mama?
hanapin pa ninyo, ha?
Kami na.
Maaga kayo pumasok bukas, ha?
Alam ko na nga yung
Kasi
teacher.
hindi na ako pwedeng umabsent eh. Kasi ano eh.
Umabsent ka
nag-absent
na.
ako kanina eh.
Pero
Si Kuya
at least pumasok ka unti.
Sabi nga, di ba bawal high school?
Hindi. Hindi. Siyempre, hatid kayo ni Kuya eh.
Kuya.
Sabihin niya lang doon sa bantay na nahahanapin pa yung pangalan kasi.
Nag-move. She's Maya. Uy, ano yan? Pick ka dyan kung ano. Mahuhulog ka.
Hindi. Ang diamond to. Mahulog ako. Uy, may diamond. Uy, diamond.
May diamond. May diamond. Madamond.
Madamot ka.
Tigawat ko.
Kaya
Papap
tayo.
ko na
Yan ang pigyat. Yan, bibili ka niyan. Ikaw, Robux na ito. Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Finish the... Ay, Valentine. Okay na yun. Ano ba yung diamond? Ano ba diamond? Ano yan? Yan, nabili ko yan. I want pets because so I'm collecting. You're recording? Why? You're cutting camera for 4K. No, you're not even posting it to YouTube. Yes, I am. Well, how long is it gonna be? About 5 and 6. 1. Just teleport. You forgot about teleporting. Oh, this is what it is. And then, oh yeah. Where's there a diamond again? Balik yan, diamond. Ayun, may diamond. Ano bang bibili yung gravity coil? Di ko pwede dito magbili. Yung gravity coil.
Upang ano yung gems?
Ano may Robux? Ayun ano. Dito, sa pets. Drills. Can buy a pink one. Ew. 200 gems. Yeah, 200 gems. Why are they all so ugly? I don't know. May diamond dun. Hi, diamond. Oh, ayun o, daming diamond dun.
No, does my hair look cute?
No.
Can you see the...
No. No.
I hate you.
No.
You're ugly.
No.
So you're... You're pretty.
Yes.
No, you said no. You said no.
No, I can say yes or no.
Okay, you can say only no. Ouch.
You're the one that's gonna say only no too. Okay. Are you pretty?
No, saying not saying no.
So are you pretty? Yeah.
Yeah.
You'll lose the of the game. Yay. Let me finish this on part.
Ay, ako yan eh.
Is it? What time are we gonna finish this? Dito pa lang ako nasa glass. I'll give you a party if we finish it on this thing. We're gonna go on 20 minutes. Yours. Caught in yours. Okay. Yours. Yes. Who joined me? Oh no, I'm gonna leave on this part. If someone joined me,
I can join you.
I'm gonna leave.
Then leave. This is my property.
No, it's not.
This
The
is
builders in my video.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, and almost in. Ouch. Shut up. Can you record properly? Yeah. Only if you shut up. Go on 20. I'm almost on 20 and then I'm gonna say bye-bye.
All people are like, goodbye, America. Hello, Hawaii.
Kawaii.
No, Hawaii.
No,
Like,
kawaii.
a state from America.
Okay, bye. Life work part
No,
two.
no, don't.
I mean, not that one. Okay. Where's you guys? Where have you been? Oh, nobody.